There we go. Record's like, no, I can't put it. There we go. Now this is where you gotta take it easy, because this is super narrow. Like really narrow to here. So I'm really gonna watch what I'm doing here, because this is super narrow. Just want to show the tires are barely on this thing, man. Like, whoa. Okay. Ooh, you gotta watch this, because man, it gets gnarly right here, because it bumps up. There we go. Okay. I think I'll be okay. I think I can still make that. I'll let you come up close to me. Might start going up here.
I'm gonna just set it right back up on it.
Mm-hmm.
Can't even set it up there to stay.
Yeah.
I didn't even move it yet.
Man, this is up there. It's about 5 feet high here.
It's definitely 5. It's definitely 5 feet.
I don't have
You want
overdrive
it by
with this.
yourself, or do you want me to be going right behind you?
I don't have overdrive in this truck, so I don't know.
I'll give you a push.
And then low.
Let me push you.
You could try giving me a little push. It might help. Wouldn't take much. Wouldn't take too much, I don't think. Get up there. There we go. Thank you. Ooh, I think I messed up.
I'll wait for you.
I think I went a little too far here.
Okay, it just means you got to go behind me, right? That's
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
how we were doing this one.
I mean, I could winch
You
out
get a
of
hand
this.
of God, go behind the person.
Yeah, but then I won't be able to get up there without your push.
Yes, you can.
I can try. Here comes my sweetheart. She's doing good. With the overdrive. All right, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna try to give it a little more speed and momentum. I might let you
I'm
go.
not going to go because it'll affect you. So you come behind me and then I'll go. Because if I'm bouncing over here, it's going to mess up yours.
I don't know. I might need more speed to get up there.
Okay, well,
you know what I mean? I
get
might
out
let
of
you
your
go
way, then.
down. Yeah. I might let you go. 'Cause I know what you're talking about, but I don't have overdrive, so I'm probably gonna need a little speed to get up that. And I'm still not sure if I'm gonna be able to make it without winching. Good. So I'm gonna come over here. Watch my foot. Let's see. See if I can get this. I give it a little more speed. I don't know, because this is a heavy rig with no overdrive. I think it's gonna need a little more speed. Ooh, don't know. going.
You got it.
Yeah, I think
got
it
it.
might
Hit it,
get
hit
it.
it.
Yeah,
Slow
okay.
down.
I gotta slow
Slow
down.
down. Where's your brake?
Hold on.
There's no brake there, but it's going on
It's
the
going.
right spot.
It's going. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That was wild.
Well, you got on it perfectly.
Yeah. Hey, whatever. I'll take it. Woo! That was something
That
else.
was nerve-wracking.
That nerve-wracking.
I'm gonna go ahead and go up so you have room. I'm gonna
Yeah.
go ahead and do this part.
Okay. Come around you. All right. What's funny? I don't know. I guess I didn't have a car. Looking good. I think I might try to catch it.
Okay, I'll wait for
right
you.
there.
Go for it.
I'm gonna come up here. See what I can do to get turned around here. Or, come turn this direction, I should say.
At least he gave you that backup space.
Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Gotta watch one more from here. It's like I don't have any kind of brake. It's just going for it.
Well, at least it's going slow.
Yeah.
Well, that was better.
No crawler brake on this truck.
Hey, you know what? That you took it better than anybody else.
Okay.
Here, let me
I'll
get
you
out of your way.
Yeah. Let you get ahead of me a little bit. You want to wait there for me?
Yes, that's only just that. I don't know how to get across the other
Oh, okay.
front.
Let me see. I haven't seen the end yet, so let me catch up with you there. And then we can go together.
This other part is a giant nope for me, dog.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me go see what you're referring
scary.
to there.
Very scary.
Let's go see what you're referring to. Oh, is it just? It's just like literally bamboo.
What am I stuck on?
They're just literally. Oh no, hold on. Hold on, stand by. Oh, there's nails. Might not be a good idea to go. There's screws all underneath there, so be very careful when you're underneath there. There's screws
I wasn't expecting
sticking
that.
down. Yeah. So be really careful. Okay, let me get over here. What I'm gonna do is come like this. Oh, then how do you get down?
You just got, that's the end.
So right now this must be the end because there's like nothing here.
Yeah, it's the end, but this is not easy.
So apparently maybe Chris is gonna finish it off there. I don't know if I ain't trying to crawl across this thing. No way, these things wobble. I don't know.
I'm gonna do it.
No,
I'm
I
gonna
bet
go
he's
as far
gonna.
as I can go.
He's probably gonna put something. No, you're at the end because see, he's got these underneath here.
So this
for the
is
wood.
not meant for us to go on?
No, he's
Oh,
got.
it's just support.
It's just support for the wood.
Oh,
He's attaching the wood to
well, I'm
this.
gonna still try it.
Okay, try it. No, he's attaching the wood to this stuff. So we've gone as far as you can go.
Well, this is what I said was a ball breaker.
Oh no,
I didn't
this
know
is not.
about it.
So funny. You would try it. Let's see how far you can get.
And that's it.
And
That's it.
that's
Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da-da!
Good job. Good
Yahoo!
job. Good job.
I'll wait for you there.
Okay, wait for me there
Mm-hmm.
as I go back over here and get my wrecker. All right, wrecker, let's do it. Wasn't watching what I was doing. It's a good idea to watch where you're driving. I think I can recover that though. Gotta watch where you're going.
Scary part is not having brake, but it might work to your advantage.
Yeah, I don't know why my brake isn't working there. Figure out why I got no brake.
Okay. The bumpiness of another truck really does, you really can feel it on
Mhm.
those things. That was painful. Still works.
Good. Looks like you're behind me now.
Yep, I sure am.
All right, let's see
I'll take it.
try my hand at this.
Like you gotta back up on that piece he added.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm gonna do next time. Look at you.
Mm-mm. That back didn't drop down like I was hoping it was. I'm not gonna try to go all the way back, all the way up this thing like that. There we go. Okay. Yeah, get back. Get back. There we go. There we go. Oh, no. Okay. Okay.
Okay, guys.
No break. Makes it challenging. Oh, okay. I have to figure out why I just
Give it one more time.
There we go.
Gonna cut it to the right so that back wheel gets on there. That's
Yeah.
the hard part.
That's the hard part, is getting that back tire on there.
Yours is even more challenging because you don't have a brake.
That might be what I need right there, I hope. That tire on there. I think it'll get it. Maybe not. It's gonna be close. Oh, I got it. Okay. No idea how I did that.
Well, you fucking did it.
Yeah,
That was awesome.
thank you. Let's see if we can get to the top here.
When you get over there, remember, it's downhill.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try to stop at the top there if I can. Yeah. And reposition here. I want to be able to get like here. Watch it come down. That's up there. That's what would we say, 5 feet up there?
Yeah, it's 5 feet. I'm 5'2", and it's right with me.
I don't think I have any kind of brake. Or very little brake. So I'm gonna see if I can hang out there for a minute. Come back over here. Okay. Wow, that was awesome. Hold
What
on.
a recovery.
What
a
a
fucking
recovery. Nice job, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Holy cow. You three-wheeled it up, man. Okay, so this part's going to be tough because it's so narrow. It's so narrow. So I got to really watch what I'm doing here. probably gonna do like you did. 3-wheel it down.
That's A-okay.
Yeah.
You got it.
Oop, I gotta get, uh-oh. Hold on. Back up, or try to back up. On there. Ah. Once it gets to a certain point, it's like hard to recover. You might want to put your hand against there. I think it's gonna. You
Like
don't
this?
touch. Yeah, don't touch it. But yeah, you're gonna have to set it back up there. There's no way.
Okay.
Yeah. You put it at the top if you want. Oh yeah, I
Okay,
gotta go
yeah,
behind you
let
now.
me get-
I gotta
you
go
gotta go
behind you. You're
behind
right.
me,
You're
so-
right. You're right. You're right. I gotta go behind you now. That's right. I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah.
Well, that's all she wrote, Captain. I'm
I
not
think-
losing my track.
Maybe one big bump. I don't know. A bump. Oh, you got it. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Nice little
When
bump.
in doubt, throttle out.
That's right. That's right. So I got to start over here. Let's see.
Scary.
So I'm going to go here like that. What do you think?
I'll
Start
just
there.
set it where you need to set it.
I think
because
right there is good.
It's still tricky no matter
Very tricky. Here we go. So let's try my hand
what.
at
Ooh,
it.
these bugs are killing me. I should have grabbed it off.
I'm going to get better here. Let's get in a better position here. This is really narrow. Feel better about that. Let's see if it'll.
It looks good so far.
Oh, it's like
Do
the
what
back.
I did. Do what I did.
Look like the back fell again. I think that's the same side it fell
Clean
before.
to the right, and it'll pull it up
Let's
when
see
you
if-
get to the other
Let's
one.
see if it'll stay like that. I'm good.
Keep it just like that the whole way, and
Yeah.
it'll grab itself when it gets to the end.
Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Nice. You
Thank
made it look so easy.
Yeah, it's not easy.
No, it's not.
Not easy at all.
This was worth coming out here for.
Oh gosh, yeah. All right, good job, man.